right, welcome back. If you are just here because you're like, I don't know, then follow along. Let's draw our TV. The diagonal, you could go this way, you could go that way. It doesn't really matter. All right, I'm really bad at my drawings. If that alone gets you where you need to be, then go and try it now. If you still are confused, then keep on following along. So a television is identified by the diagonal measurement of the screen. We have a 65-inch screen. That's the diagonal. And they're saying the height is 34, and we know rectangles have the same on both sides, right? So we are trying to find the length. So is that our right angle? Is that our leg, or is that our hypotenuse? Good, that is our leg. So if you are just looking for the answer, give me a moment. About 55.4 inches. Okay, hopefully that's what you got and I didn't make a math error, but that sounds good. All right, I want you using what we just talked about, right? Like the never eat soggy waffles, that whole thing. Your compass. I want you to try to do this one. Welcome back. In a football drill, Robbie stands directly east of Jack. So here's Jack. And Robbie is east of him. Oh, sorry, 12 yards. And William stands 5 yards north of Jack. The football is thrown from Robbie to William. Okay. So we are going from Robbie to William. And then from William to Jack. How far did he go? So before we can figure out how far it is, we need to figure out William to Robbie and Robbie to William, how far that is. So hopefully you did that. That's what your picture looked like. Hopefully you realize this is my right angle. I'm finding my hypotenuse. So I have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. Hopefully you figured out, wow, we've done that problem before, Miss Sherman. This is actually called a Pythagorean triple. Anytime you end up with whole numbers like this, that's what that's called. So this is 13. So they want to go from Robbie to William and then William to Jack. So our total passed yards is actually 18. You had to use what you found to solve for the actual question. Use what you found. All right. Then the last one is very similar to our first two. I want you to try that and then come back. Welcome back. So we have a picture. The width is 36. Oopsies. Sorry. The height is 25. And the diagonal is 45. So we should have had 36 plus 25 equals 45. 36 is 1296. 25 is 625. And 45 oh, sorry. And 1296 plus 625 is 1921. So are these two things equal? They are not equal. So no, it is not a right angle. Okay. And again, that one is a lot easier than the one that we did earlier. That was pretty darn close to a right angle. Great job.